I am Hans Bullet Fogh, and I'm making cargo bikes in the company Larry vs. Harry, together with my friend Larry. We built the cargo bike, the Bullet, so far, and hopefully in the future we will build some more cargo bikes. I was a carpenter for 20 years, riding a cargo bike in my company. And we always used the cargo bikes for transportation. And apparently it was very efficient, it was cheap, and I just realized that I didn't need the car. At the same time, my partner was building cargo bikes for a large company. And after 2 years of building a track, they came up with a very, very nice track. I think it's the best cargo track in the world. And still my old Long John, that was 60 years old, was faster. And we started to discuss how to take this further. And we wanted to build a cargo bike that was fast and that looked good. So we went together, and over the years we made some drawings, and he came up with stuff and said, "You like this?" And finally one day he said, are you ready for this? And then we did it. Currently we have 13 different models, and then we have frame kits, and besides that we got a lot of accessories. So like chess, you can make a combination, kind of eternity. A large group are the parents who like to ride with their kids, to use the cargo bikes as daily transportation for commute, but also for buying groceries, picking up kids, for using the bike as you would use a car. Who wants the bike as an alternative to the car, because the car is still a very nice thing, but for shorter distances it's inefficient, expensive and old-fashioned. Then we have a group of professionals, carpenters, electricians, cafes, restaurants, people who have a need for transportation and a need for showing a different profile. Today, if you ride an SUV, you're showing the wrong signals to your customers. But with the bike, put your bike outside the shop and people will say, "Oh, this is okay." Then we have the group of bike messengers that uses the bike as for messaging, for mail deliverance, which is a large group too. That's still increasing. We sell it in most part of Europe, and I think that the cargo bike is increasing in all European cities. Things are growing. People like it in different towns, in different countries, and it will grow. It's important. I think it's a pretty safe town to ride around, and it's easy to get around. And the city has been improving the roads and the conditions for the bicycles again and again. And over the last year, it has become very popular, and the city has realized that this is also selling Copenhagen. Copenhagen is the town that you come to if you want to see bicycles, and that is good. I think that mainly the city has been good at helping the bicycles, better than most other cities in the world. The best part about the cargo bike is that you might actually save some money. When I was a carpenter, I realized that the logistic was good. And the speed was good, everything was good, but what I realized was that I was making money. I was really making money by this, and this is an argument that can persuade the most conservative handyman in the world. So if people realize that this is not only a good idea for the earth, for the environment, for a lot of things, but it's actually good business, it might grow even more.